Example 2. Determine the equation of a circle passing through the point 3, 4, and with its center at the origin. If points P, A, 3, and Q, B, 3, lie on the circle, determine the length of the chord PQ where A is greater than B. Solution. Recall that the equation of the circle with center at the origin is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. We know that the circle passes through the point 3, 4. Therefore, the given point will satisfy the equation of the circle. Let us now substitute the coordinates of the point to determine the radius of the circle. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals r squared equals 25. Taking square root of both the sides, we get, therefore r equals 5. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared equals 25. To determine the length of the chord, we need to determine the x-coordinates of the points P and Q. Observe that the y-coordinates of both the points are the same. We can determine the x-coordinates by substituting the y-coordinate in the equation of the circle. Substituting the value y equals 3 in the equation, we get x squared plus 3 squared equals 25. X squared equals 16. Therefore, x equals plus or minus 4. Since A is greater than B, the coordinates of P, 4, 3, and Q, negative 4, 3. Now the length of the chord can be determined by using the distance formula. Substituting the values in the equation, we get PQ equals 8 units. Therefore, the length of the chord is 8 units.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.